If you want to connect Mailchimp with WordPress the easy way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress step by step so you can start building your email list and capturing subscribers right from your website. This is a really useful setup if you want to grow your audience, automate your marketing, and make it easier for visitors to join your newsletter. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside Mailchimp, look for the Integrations section. Click on Integrations and then use the search bar to search for WordPress. When WordPress appears in the results, click on it. After that, click Get Started to begin the connection process. Mailchimp will now guide you through the setup, and one of the next steps is to log into your WordPress account. Go ahead and enter your WordPress login details so Mailchimp can connect with your site. Once you're signed in, follow the prompt to download the plugin file. Click Download, and when the zip file finishes downloading, extract the zip file on your computer. This is important because you'll need the plugin files ready before installing them in WordPress. Now open your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins and then choose Add New Plugin. This is where you can install new features and add-ons for your website. In the plugin search area, search for Mailchimp List, Subscribe Form, or scroll through the available plugins until you find it. Once you see it, click Install Now. WordPress will begin installing the plugin automatically. After the installation is complete, the button will change, and you'll see the option to activate. Click Activate to turn the plugin on and make it ready to use on your site. Once the plugin is active, your Mailchimp and WordPress setup is complete, and you can start using it to collect email signups and grow your list. This kind of integration is a great way to keep your audience connected and build stronger relationships with your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.